This is a first. That is a Shadow, shut up. That's an Agouti eating some St. Louis barbecue ribs. This is just comical. I got your baby back, baby back, baby back. So I thought these guys were totally vegetarian. I had some ribs in my refrigerator here that were going bad. So now I have to worry about agoutis coming into my house and eating my face at night. Yeah, that just pisses you off. Nuggie, get out of there. Okay, back to the... Wowzers. This is cool. Damn, get you some of that. I'm doing chicken tomorrow. I got some Montreal chicken seasonal hunks of... Look at the size of him. Fuck, I need to eat you. You're going on the parrilla. A little Jack Daniel's barbecue agouti. Damn. Okay. One more bite, and then I gotta do nothing. Anything else in the yard today? Hello, puppies. Yeah, I know. There you go. Wow. Where'd you go? There's another one coming in. Uh-oh. It might be in a goody fight over ribs. That's why you freaked out. Hey, maybe it's a girl agouti. Go give her some ribs, you'll get some agouti booty. Okay, that's enough.